What is that? What? Looks like a goddamn flamethrower mixed with a shotgun. I don't think anybody asked for a gold tack. I think we asked a vault attack. I think there was a little bit of confusion. How much damage does a blue tack do, chat, in Fortnite? How much damage does a blue tack do? Tactical shotgun does 178 damage max. Okay, so it goes up by 9. So by mathematical equations, chat, the purple tac shotgun should do 187 damage to the head, and the gold should do 196. This gun is going to deal 196 damage for a headshot. 196 damage. That's crazy.
A fucking gold and purple tac shotgun. We've peaked, dude.
That's crazy. Everybody was like, yeah, you need to remove that gun. And they were like, nah. We're just gonna make new ones. So now they'll be really broken and you'll get them all spawn all the time.
It's actually real. Dude, it's gonna be at World Cup, by the way. Oh my god. Wait, it's a tac shotty, but the legendary version. Oh my.
I just noticed that too.
Skins are so...
Look at this guy's a gold and purple tac shotgun. Cool.
Oh my gosh. Alright, bro. Y'all want to see this, man? Bro. There is a tactical shotgun coming to Fortnite. Are you kidding me, dude? This is gonna change everything, bro. This.
He's on me.
No, he's not.
You're nuts?
Let's go!
He has so many mats. He's gotten 3 fucking piles of mats. Really no way I kill him. Wood and you're doing that.